Step 1. Remembering. We can start by remembering basic facts about trees. We recall that trees are tall, woody plants with a single trunk and branches, and they play a crucial role in producing oxygen and providing habitats for various organisms. Step 2. Understanding. Once we have remembered basic facts about trees, we can deepen our understanding by learning about their different types, such as deciduous and evergreen, and their unique characteristics. We may understand that deciduous trees shed their leaves annually, while evergreen trees retain their leaves year-round. Step 3. Applying. We can apply our understanding of trees in various contexts. For example, we can use wood from trees to build houses, furniture, and paper products. Additionally, we can plant trees to enhance landscaping, provide shade, and mitigate air pollution. Step 4. Analyzing. By analyzing trees, we can explore their ecological importance and the intricate relationships they have with other organisms in their ecosystems. We may analyze how deforestation impacts biodiversity, climate regulation, and soil erosion. Step 5. Evaluating. We can evaluate the effectiveness of conservation efforts aimed at preserving tree populations. By assessing tree planting initiatives, forest management practices, and public policies, we can determine their impact on mitigating deforestation and promoting sustainable forestry. Step 6. Creating. With a comprehensive understanding of trees and their significance, we can creatively contribute to their conservation and preservation. For instance, we can develop educational programs to raise awareness about the importance of trees, organize tree planting events in local communities, or advocate for policies that protect forested areas. In summary, trees serve as a rich subject for applying the principles of Revised Blooms Taxonomy, allowing for effective learning and engagement across different cognitive levels.